My name is Brian Reed. I'm the Chief Mobility Officer here at NowSecure. I'd like to tell you about one of our customers that's a global multinational. So they have mobile applications that are built and deployed in hundreds, over 100 countries around the world. Highly decentralized development infrastructure, highly decentralized security testing, but some centralized requirements flowing through. And so in this very distributed world, they needed a mobile AppSec testing strategy that enabled them to service on a global basis and very complex and widely varying infrastructures. So what they've actually done is they've deployed the ability to monitor and test every mobile application as it's pushed into the cloud. So no matter what team develops where and where they deployed in the world, they're actually monitoring global app stores to make sure anytime a new application is deployed or a new version of an application is deployed by their development teams, they're able to test it. With that, then, they've worked with their primary team to create their core Tier 1 apps, and they've moved application security testing into the automated tool chain as well. And so before they go into production, they get tested as well. And so if you're a global multinational and you're thinking about the complexity of supporting multiple teams, realize that there's many different ways to engage and plug in your application security testing, whether it's through the cloud and the existing deployed applications as they get pushed into production anywhere in the world, through the app stores, as well as internally directly into your most important development teams.